Determine if the function f of x equals x plus 1 over x has symmetry about the y-axis, also known as even symmetry, or symmetry about the origin, also known as odd symmetry, or neither. F of x equals x plus 1 over x. The fraction has a constant which is always even symmetry, divided by x to an odd power, which is odd. Even divided by odd will always be odd, plus x to an odd power. It is therefore expected to have origin odd symmetry. What we're going to do is calculate f of negative x. If we find f of negative x to exactly equal f of x, it will have y-axis even symmetry. If we find f of negative x to be exactly the negative of f of x, it will have origin odd symmetry. And if we find neither to hold true, it will have neither symmetry. F of negative x means to plug in negative x in for each of the x's, which will give a negative x plus 1 divided by a negative x, which is negative x. A positive over a negative is negative, and then 1 over x. Comparing to the original, each of the terms has opposite sign of the original. We can therefore factor out a negative, which will leave a positive x, and a positive 1 over x, which is exactly f of x with a negative sign in front of it. And therefore f of negative x equals negative f of x, which is the exact condition needed for it to have origin odd symmetry.